Congratulations, happy couples.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Question: what is your experience buying this car from Joshua?
So we previously came here last year with a car that was running. Might I remind you, it was actually running, and we were told that they didn't want the trade-in, and just tried to get us to buy a new car. But we tried previous dealerships, and they wanted to give us a $3,000 trade-in value. When we came here, they gave us an $11,000 trade-in value, as well as protection and warranty and gap for a 2024 Hyundai Elantra.
With very low.
Extremely
What do you think, sir?
22,624 miles.
Yeah, I'm just extremely relieved, and it's been a pleasure to do business with you, man. It's been a real pleasure.
Okay.
Definitely come see Joshua for sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
I know. I told you I received a call from your
My mom.
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law this morning and your mom. I
Yeah.
sold a car to her before.
Mm-hmm.
She said, Joshua, I trust you. I have my son. My son have a situation. I will send my son to you.
Yeah, and I knew
And we
then
got
I
a
had to
car.
come to you. Yeah, I know if my mom says come to you, I better go to Joshua. So
Good.
y'all go.
Let me see your key.
Oh yeah.
2 keys.
Oh yeah, we ready.
Okay. Are you excited?
I am.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got a
Sure.
car.
Great. I
Glad to be
really.
rolling again.
What do you say, sir?
Glad to be rolling again. Yeah,
Okay.
We were sitting still for a minute. So,
Okay. I really appreciate your business.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And,
And
we'll be back if ever.
Send all your friend to me.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, of
Yeah.
course.
Oh yeah.
Because
Okay.
you've been the only one to be able to get a car that can't move traded in.
Oh yeah. I know.
Say that again. I want people to hear that.
Yeah, you're the only guy that can get a car that doesn't move traded in for a brand new 2024.
A transmission issue, so the car doesn't even run. They have to come pick it up
on Monday.
on a tow truck.
Yeah.
Might we remind you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we got a new car,
Yeah.
a 2024 at that.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How much cash do you put down?
Zero.
What do you say?
Zero.
Do you think Joshua is a miracle man or what?
Yeah,
Oh,
miracle
yeah,
worker.
for
for sure.
For sure.
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations, okay?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Enjoy your new car.
I do
Thank you,
appreciate
Josh.
it.
Take care.
Wow.